It's on. You're choosing the phone line for 5
My
minutes.
cameraman is faulty, you know. He's always, yeah.
Come on. Your cameraman's the best.
Right.
Hi guys. Another little vlog, home vlog.
Foodie day. Foodie.
Yeah, some food ideas today.
Today.
What we're having to eat for our tea is
It's a
go on, take it
strange.
away.
It's a strange one. It's a burger on 2 Danish pastries.
Sounds
A
strange.
bit, but it's really, really tasty.
Yeah.
We've only done it once before, haven't we?
Yeah.
And it's really nice. It's our take on. There's a Disney secret menu, and I can't remember exactly what it was or what park it was from.
Yeah.
But apparently it's a secret menu anyway. You probably know about it. Well, this is our take on that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going to be 2 Danish from Costco.
And Angus
Angus
burger.
Yeah,
Quarter
Angus
pounder.
burger. We're going to put a slice of onion rings on top and top it with
Cheese.
a bit of mozzarella, a bit of cheddar, melt it over it.
Mm,
Some fries. There you go.
it will be nice. I look a bit red. I've been sitting in the sun. It's been a nice day
It's a
today.
lovely
isn't
day,
it?
yeah.
But
You just sit out for a little bit.
sit out.
Oh, yeah.
Had a little lazy day.
Not a lot of much else you can do.
No.
But anyway, let's get on with the food.
If you do, see you in a minute. Yeah. So these are our burgers. And because I don't like the smell in the kitchen and in the house, I have to boil over them, cook them, because I'm a foot pot. Sorry.
Doesn't like the smell of
Like the
food
smell.
on the outside. I love it.
I love the smell of cakes.
Yeah.
But I just don't like the smell of foodie. So these are going in.
Burgers going in the oven.
And I don't have a barbecue because we don't have a garden. And even if I had a garden, I don't think I'd have a barbecue. Just my personal choice.
No, but
Got a perfectly good cooker. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So we've got 3 big
Large onion.
onion rings to gonna go on top when I turn the burgers over. 3 pads of mozzarella and a bit of cheddar. And they're our Danishes.
The Danish from Costco.
What's left
That's it.
of them after George attacked them during the night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so ready for turning. We're at 30 minutes and now they are turning over. I'm getting the onion.
nice. That's my piece of onion.
It's disgusting. Okay,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to put them back in for 30 minutes. And let the onion cook on them.
Obviously, if you like to do burgers a different way, you can cook them quicker.
Do them whatever way you want. It's just because I'm a fuss pot and I
Some
don't
people
like
can
the
do it
steak.
and then maybe grill the cheese and stuff underneath. Cook the onions separate, whatever way you want. We're just trying it this way. Back again in a minute.
See you in a minute.
We building.
No, we're just putting cheese on. Not building yet.
That's what I'm saying. Put the cheese on there.
Building
Putting the cheese
means
on top
putting
of it.
cheese on,
Oh, okay.
putting bottom and tops on. We're not doing that yet, are we?
Ah, build a better burger. Way.
Whoa.
This because you move it when following.
Ready? Uh-oh. I know what we done last time. We done paprika onions.
Yeah, just make sure it's stuck on it because it melts out all the way.
Mm,
So it just piles.
falling in. What?
Just not right on the middle of the top.
Falling in. Feels all crispy.
Yeah. Don't let that melt on it first before you put the cheddar on.
Do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
I think it'll encase it though nice if you do that. Okay.
Yeah, you want it to get a bit melty first, doesn't it?
Okay.
Well, if you want to just stick to the shed, I don't know. I'm not bothered, it's just an idea.
It might hold it better
It might
if you
do.
put the cheddar on it. It's getting a bit sweaty, isn't it?
Yeah. Just didn't want the cheddar to melt all the way down and fall off it too quick.
This little one's mine here.
Just whichever one, don't you?
This one's mine. Gosh. Can't really put that.
Well, it's all done.
I'll just leave it standing like that, shall I?
Whatever. Just leave it. You don't have to stick it on if it's not.
Do you want to eat that?
Go on.
I know you do.
Thank you very much.
Ooh.
Hot.
Falling to my eye. What do you reckon? 1, 2. Tell me quick.
Oh, whatever.
1.
Just look at it. 1 for what? To get it all out?
1 minute?
I don't think so.
No, to get the burgers out. And then I'll put the
Okay.
fries on the top shelf.
Put the bases down. Not like to tell you your job, like, but you know,
Yeah, you know.
someone's got to.
Cheeky, honestly, I'm on that one because
Somebody has to, don't they?
I don't want, I don't want a lot of icing on my bottom one. I don't want a lot of icing on my bottom. Okay.
Nice. Get them nicely over so your fries can go to the side.
Fries will fit fine. Do it another way. Kids and Mickey.
Clean your fingers.
No. Didn't want the icing. Did it? My hair looks like curry coloured.
Curry coloured?
Don't you think it looks like curry coloured?
No. Maybe my hair needs cutting again.
Grey there. Oh, don't be starting that.
Hey.
Starting that again.
Come on then. The burger's out.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, mine is perfect.
Oh, look at that.
Look how perfect mine looks. This one's mine.
They look nice then.
I'm just going to put this fries on the top shelf. Well,
Okay.
I'm losing that over.
Looking forward to this.
Yeah.
Only problem is you can't taste this.
Oh, sorry.
Never mind. I'll let you know
You'll
what
have
it's
to try
like.
it yourselves. Yeah, that was mine, wasn't it? I'll put mine on first.
Oh, you know.
Well, yeah. Ooh,
You okay?
yeah. Ooh, looks like a poached egg, doesn't it?
Does a bit.
I want to flatten that.
That's what you're going to squash it all down and bite it and...
This was your one, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Which one do you want?
Any?
Pick.
Any one you like. Depends what the way, so it makes it easier to dish out. All the same. If someone's got bigger, then I'll let them know. You rob mine.
Oh, George has got that. Hey, George, it's perfect now. What the heck? I knew that had happened.
Yeah.
Mine's wonky, yours is wonky, George's is perfect. Bloody hell.
Very nice. Very nice.
Right. Lid. I'll have the scabby lid. Oh, no, I'll have that scabby lid. It was like that, wasn't it? Facing upwards.
Yeah.
Is this mine?
Doesn't matter, it's all sticky bun
Forgot it
anyway.
is, yeah.
Oh, do you want to turn it over? It's up to you.
That way.
Yeah. Make no
I
difference.
think it'd
Go on
melt
then.
more, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll leave it like that. Watch it fall. Oh, I'm never going to be able to bite that.
Knife and fork time.
It'll have to be.
Whoa, push
Is
it up.
Where?
Just like it's sliding this way.
Don't. This your
And the
one.
wonky, yeah, go on.
God, that looks massive. Okay. Looks like
Yeah.
it's got a face, look.
It
Look.
probably, yeah.
Eyes, smiley
It probably
face.
works better with smaller
Smaller buns.
Smaller buns, you know what I mean? But
We can't help that.
no.
We're in lockdown.
We just had to go for Costco's. We were greedy. Getting the fries out then.
Yeah. Can you not stand on my floor?
Sorry. You stop following me around.
I'm trying to dry my hands. Steamer.
Okay.
Oh,
What were you saying? What you say?
I was going to say, another tip or annoyance, however way you want to call
Fries
it.
look nice.
You do. What I do, I salt them all on here first.
She doesn't like me to have salt on the plate.
I don't like everybody having too much salt.
Oh, nice big fly in here.
Oh great. Watch out.
Watch out.
Oh, mine's slipping off, look.
Yeah, just put your fries down then.
Okay. So, if you shuffle the salt around, it gets a good even distribution.
Yeah. Mine's all.
Oh, mine's falling up. Get back.
Yeah, take the wonky one.
That's really
What's that? She's getting no fries there.
yeah, there. It's not it. It's yours. Those just the stuff one.
What?
Those just the stuff one.
Flies took off somewhere. So,
What?
flies flying around somewhere.
Gonna be looking at me Danish, is it?
I'm going a bit wonky, it's because I'm looking out for a fly.
There you go. George,
Delicious.
yourself, and me. And mine has a nice slide there though.
It is, yeah.
Never mind.
And hey, you're going to slide right in your mouth.
Go on. I need to film
Okay.
it.
See you soon.
Bye.
Fuck off, because it's trying to... Let's get to it, what are you laughing at? As you can see.
We're having a day at the beach.
Hang on. We're having a day at the beach in lockdown. We're staying safe. Yes, we've been having a day at the beach in lockdown. Beaches of Florida.
It's gorgeous.
Dreaming.
That's a lovely day.
Right.
It's a bit cool outside.
Yeah.
It's not in here, it's lovely. It's really bright as well.
Yeah. Anyway, hi everybody.
Hello.
It's another day, another video. As we just said, we've just been watching some of the beaches of Florida. But now it's time to pay the price. Now we're going to make some soup now, aren't we? I'm going to teach Stacey how to make some soup.
I'm going to video
And she's
doing that.
No, I'm going to teach her, and she's going to learn, and she's going to make it for me. So
He has never made soup in his life, other than taking the lid off a tin. You've never made soup in your life.
I made tomato soup.
You have not.
I have.
You have not.
You turned around and didn't want to taste it, and it was nice, and you went, yeah,
No,
okay.
let it off. Was
yeah.
that when you had your basil plant?
Yeah, the one that you killed.
Yeah.
You get a plant here, she kills it. So I don't know. Get flowers.
I'd probably
the flowers
kill a
last
plastic.
ages.
I'd probably kill a plastic plant as well. I'm not skilled, aren't I?
Yeah. But anyway, video today.
So we'll be in the kitchen. Without
another
the
one in the
shades.
kitchen, out the shades, making soup.
See you in a minute.
Okay. I think I'll just check back on the beaches of Florida. It'll just be there, couldn't it? He's going to get past me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, go on then. Anyway, folks, let's go and make the soup. Get back in the kitchen. I've prepared all my stuff over there.
Why are you lying? I'm not doing it if you're going to lie.
Oh, come on, I'm only having a kid.
Right, so, lentil soup, as requested by Laura next door. 250 grams of lentils. I've weighed them because my bag was a bigger bag, but the normal size bags is usually about a 500 gram bag. So half that packet, 250 gram. Now you don't have to soak them, but I just give them a rinse just to make sure there's no dead bits of anything in it. And while I'm chopping the carrots and onions, I just leave them in soak. Okay? So, there you go, just in a little cool water, soaking. I've got one normal sized onion, normal, medium, what would you say? Yeah.
Largest.
For the yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and 2, 4, 5 carrots. Okay, normal, regular sized carrots.
Okay.
You can put more in if you want, or you can put less in.
Just Jonesy's out there.
Yeah. And I use stock cubes. I know some people like to do like a ham, a gammon shank thing, whatever, or ribs. You can do that as well. But I don't like the greasiness of that.
You can use whatever stock you want,
stock cubes, whatever stock cubes you want. Vegetable stock cubes, it's only basic Aldi's. They're alright, they're nice. And the vegetarian and the vegan too. So 5 of them I use, okay? So it tells you to do 450 ml per cube, but I just do 5 and I do 3 pints of water.
Okay.
Because I also use a little bit of this as well. Make my curry. I'll tell you about that in a minute. Okay, so I've put me 3 pints of water in my pan, and I've put it on, and my stock cubes are all in there. 5 stock cubes in. I just let that water heat up with the stock cubes. Okay. So you'll see.
I'm back.
Stock cubes are melted, nice. Yeah, all melty, no bits, no lumps, all fine. Onions in.
All chopped.
All chopped. Carrots. Lentils. See that they've swelled. Not a lot of, well, there is a little bit of wet there left, but I'm going to rinse them again before I put them in.
Take any settings, any bits dusty in the side of them. Sometimes they get a bit dusty, don't they?
Yep. Like you know.
Well, you know, taught you well.
Such a liar, Colin. Can't believe how you lie.
Oh, come on. As if.
How did this start life then? How did I start making this soup if...
I taught you. I taught you very well.
No, you're wrong. It started life as a lentil curry.
Yeah.
So, forgot about that, haven't you?
Was developed.
Yeah.
Make way for the make way.
I need me
Oh.
hands dry.
Okay.
So give it a little mix. Probably will need a bit more water adding to it as it goes. As it goes on, but them lentils are going to swell, so you see it'll end up thicker than that. Okay, and make way or any other curry powder of choice, I just use Make Way because it's always easy to get.
Which one?
I use the mild because I'm a wuss.
Yeah.
I
Depends
have used the
depends what kind of
hot
spiciness or whatever you want to it.
But in a soup I just think so it doesn't hurt you. And
it's nice.
A dessert spoon.
Very nice.
So not a tablespoon, a dessert spoon, the bigger one. If you've got that.
Okay.
If you haven't got one of them, just use 2 of them. Okay.
Okay, I will.
I just put it. I just put it straight in. I don't mix it in anything else. I just sprinkle it in, and it will dissolve and melt as it goes. And there you go. That's it. Keep stirring. It'll come to the boil.
Yeah.
I'll stir it now anyway. There you go, it's all mixed in. And basically, that is just, that's it, really. It's dead easy food to make.
How long do you reckon it takes to be ready?
That'll probably only take about 40 minutes, an hour.
Okay.
If that.
There you go.
So,
plus, when it's ready, if you want to, you can blend it and make it smooth.
Well, that's what I do. That's what Laura likes.
Yeah, but I like it like that.
Yeah, but
well, I don't mind either way, but I do like some
it looks
the
better.
chunks and stuff.
Yeah, it looks better if it's smooth though, doesn't it really? It looks more appetising. And also if you're trying to give it to kids because of the goodness and that, then the smoother the better. You can trick them into thinking that there's no veg in it. There's only carrots and onions, but some kids don't like them, do they?
Well, lentils are very good for you.
Lentils are very good for you. So, lid on, let it come to the boil. Okay.
Good. I'll be back to taste it when it's done.
We're back. I've turned it off. It's been about an hour, hasn't it? Yeah.
Whoops.
Careful now.
Stay.
Right.
It's trying to follow your hand there.
That's it.
See?
That's it.
Yeah. Steady.
So, I reckon that's about it. So, get my hand blender down and do that. Mush it up. You can have it like that if that's how you want it, or you don't want to buy a hand blended or whatever.
Yeah.
But
we're going to blend it.
We're going to blend it.
Because our George
Won't eat it.
prefers it blended.
I did say to trick the kids, didn't I?
Yeah.
Even though he's nearly 20.
Well, the baby
he's still a baby.
Still needs to have it blended.
He's still a baby. Mind you though, I think it looks better blended.
It's on.
My cameraman is faulty, you know. He's hopeless. Yeah, you freaking are.
Come on.
Oh.
Your cameraman's the best.
Right, this is a stick blender that we bought in Aldi about 8 years ago for about 10 quid, I don't know. But they're only cheap, aren't they?
Yeah. Search it out and find one if you haven't got one.
So that shows just washing out. Scared.
Basically, just blending all the carrots and onions. Nice and smooth. Come back when it's finished and being blended and
That'll be blended. Okay, gonna dish it out. Yeah.
all blended.
All nice and blended. Goes a little bit frothy when it gets blended because obviously it's just...
Well, it settles down.
Yeah, it settles back down like it has. All nice and smooth as you can see.
Oopsie.
Yay. What happened there?
Don't like that because of the going across the screen. It tracks. You know what I mean?
Okay.
In case you wonder what the woe was, it was just the camera tracking.
It was the bad cameraman.
No, it's yeah.
Yeah. There you go, that'll do you.
I'll be back for more if that's going to
Yeah,
be
well,
for me.
you can just have that as a tester.
Yeah.
Right,
Lovely, jubbly.
there you go.
Thank you very much, dear.
You're welcome.
What a fine job.
I know.
a bit stingy though, isn't it?
Well, you have more, can't you?
Okay. Did be bread in there. Loving it. Thank you very much.
So, we did forget to tell you how the burgers were yesterday, didn't we? And
did we?
I'm thinking we did.
Okay.
What if we didn't?
Well, they were delicious.
Anyway. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were very nice. Very strange, but nice.
Yeah. Strange like, well, like you. I'm not strange.
I'm gonna leave that. Leave that for everyone else to decide.
Anyway, we've come to the end of this vlog. The next vlog, we'll do some more cooking, aren't we?
I like the way you say we, and it's me. Why, what are we making next time?
I think we're making, we're either making chocolate chip cookies or lemon drizzle cake.
Oh, maybe.
Or maybe both.
Oh, maybe.
I know I've got to do
Pineapple.
pancakes.
I think pineapple sponge cake. Not a pineapple sponge cake, but like a Victoria sponge cake, but with pineapple in instead.
That's just because you want that pineapple again
Yeah.
from Costco.
I know.
Well,
Maybe.
maybe.
We'll see.
Anyway, if you like the
See you
video,
soon.
please. Not yet, not yet.
See you soon.
Not yet. If you like the videos, please subscribe and share. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any. Okay?
Okay then.
Bye. See you
Bye.
soon. Bye.